It's 2026. Magkano ang salary increase for government employees for the new year? Hello everyone, welcome back sa ating channel where we post information about Philippine news and updates. So in this video, we will be talking about the third tranche SSL Table 2026 salary increase for Philippine government employees. Good news, because as per Executive Order number 64, all government employees will have an increase in salary. Executive Order number 64 comes with the subject title, Updating the Salary Schedule for Civilian Government Personnel and Authorizing the Grant of an Additional Allowance and for Other Purposes. This means that government workers can expect a salary increase every year for the next 4 years starting from 2024. In total, there will be 4 tranches or stages of salary increase until 2027. And for this video, we will be talking about the 2026 third tranche salary increase. The Department of Budget and Management, or DBM, is the one in charge of handing out the guidelines kung paano madidistribute ang salary increase for all public servants. So what can you expect from the new salaries of government employees? Please have a look at this budget table guide here as released by the Department of Budget and Management. By year 2026, all government employees will get another salary increase as part of the third tranche under Executive Order number 64. This means na lahat ng levels ng trabaho mula sa entry level hanggang sa senior positions ay may dagdag sahod. For government employees, this is not just about higher pay. It is the Philippine government's way of recognizing their hard work and dedication. Mas makakatulong ito sa daily expenses, support sa pamilya, at pag-iipon para sa future. Plus, it encourages more people to join public service and ensures na motivated ang mga empleyado para mas maayos nilang mapagsilbihan ang ating bayan. The purpose of this salary increase rule is to ensure na maayos ang compensation ng mga government employees at naa-align ito sa current economic conditions. Isa itong hakbang ng gobyerno para siguraduhin sapat ang sahod ng mga naglilingkod. Markahan ang inyong mga kalendaryo dahil ang salary increase is set to take effect starting January 1, 2026. Ibig sabihin, simula sa unang buwan ng 2026, mararamdaman na ng mga government employees ang dagdag sahod sa kanilang monthly pay. So mga kababayan, ano ang masasabi ninyo tungkol sa salary increase na update na ito? Sa tingin nyo ba ay sapat na ito para makatulong sa inyong pang-araw-araw na gastusin at sa pagbuo ng mas magandang kinabukasan? Share your thoughts. Gusto naming marinig ang inyong opinion tungkol sa update na ito. Don't forget to like this post and subscribe for more updates on salary adjustments and other important news. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.